Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Xiaomi Redmi Note 7. To do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, first one being on the bottom, another one next to it, then there's a phone call speaker on top of the screen, and that would be all of them. And to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers if the sound is coming from both for at least two sources. That means this device does have it. Now let's test it out. Okay, so I can't confirm if this device does or doesn't have the stereo speakers, since the sound was coming only from this speaker. This speaker doesn't work, and that might be the fault of my phone. You can check it on yours if it does and let me down in the comments below. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.